In this video, I'm going to tell you about broken landing page error which people may have seen on their GMC Google Merchant Center account. I will tell you about it and then how I was able to get it solved. So let's get started. And before I get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Merchant Center suspensions, audit, setup management, Google Ads suspensions, disapprovals, Google Ads management, shopping commerce management, also web development services and landing page services. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So now let's move forward over here. You may see over here that the requested review of your merchant account has been completed, and in the requested review you may see that your merchant center account is in violation of the following policies. Two policies: broker landing page, destination URL down page. So these are the policies which people may get whenever you're gonna get this. I have opened this doc file, so I can write over here that whenever you see these two errors over here, broker landing page or destination URL landing page, you may see over here. So if you see the error broker landing page, it specifically means that your website has images which are not loading, broken links, page is not aligned. Means that for instance, if I open my own blog, I'm going to show you. For instance, it is not opening properly. For instance, the logo is on the right side, the image is going somewhere else, the heading is going somewhere else. This can be a reason for the page is not aligned over here. So now how to get it solved is usually by updating all your plugins on your website. You can solve it, unless and until there is an encoding error or a theme error which a developer may have done it, so the developer may need to get it sorted. So now this may vary from case to case. However, this could be a reason as well that page is not aligned, images are not loading, broken links are one of the reasons why you get a broken landing page error. The second error is destination URL down, editorial and professional standards. Okay, whenever you see the destination URL down, it means that either your website is not loading, your web hosting is off, or if your website has SSL security certificate. Now with SSL, error can be on the broken landing page as well it can be on the destination URL down as well on it as well. And the third is your domain is expired, web hosting is off, or your web hosting is suspended, you have not paid your bill, so or there is a redirection error that your main page or is not loading, or one of your product page is not loading, maybe wrong redirection error. Now redirection error can be 301, 302 or a 404 error where the page is not found. So these could be few of the reasons why you have to get it. So now it may again vary from case to case, and then we were able to get it sorted. And then you may see over here that the review of the broken landing page is complete. So the requested review broken landing page has been completed, and they should no longer appear in your merchant center account. So yeah, this is another successful case study. So in case if you need our help in getting your Google Merchant Center account restored, or if there is any specific error on Google Merchant Center account, or if there is any error on Google Ads suspension, disapprovals, Bing Ads, or website development, or if you need help with Shopify, WordPress, or any other CMS, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this quick video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care and bye bye.